Привіт-привіт, my dear friends, my name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson I'm going to teach you the collective numerals in Ukrainian language. But before we start, you know that you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. So, поїхали. Yes, the expression поїхали means let's get started. Поїхали. So I'm so happy to come back to recording video lessons for you because I was in Kiev. I spent there great time and I was there for 2.5 weeks, and Kiev is still so wonderful and amazing city. Love it so much. And when I walked on Andriivsky Uzviz. Andriivsky Uzviz means Andriivsky descent. I bought this marvelous bracelet. You can see вишиванка bracelet. Do you like it? Yeah, I like it so much. So yeah, are you going to visit Kiev when the war is over? I hope you are. So yeah, okay, our topic, collective numerals. So I taught you already the cardinal and ordinal numerals in Ukrainian language. If you don't know these topics, then please check them out before watching this video. And we have such a confusing topic in Ukrainian language. So collective numerals, what does it mean? Don't worry, I will explain you. So we have this grammar theme as collective numerals. When do we use them? What are they? So guys, collective numerals denote a certain quantity of people or objects as one whole. And of course we have some specific forms of these collective numerals. So let me give you their forms and then I will give you examples. So, два is just cardinal numeral, but its collective form is двоє. Два, двоє. Три becomes троє. Чотири becomes четверо. П'ять, п'ятеро. Шість, шестеро. Сім, семеро. Вісім, восьмеро. Дев'ять, дев'ятеро. And 10, десятеро. Yes, guys, we have different forms for these collective numerals. Please check out the table that you can see here on the screen. You can pause it, you can write down these forms so we can see. Let me read one more time only collective forms. So двоє, троє, четверо, п'ятеро, шестеро, семеро, восьмеро, дев'ятеро, and десятеро. After collective numerals, we use genitive case. And you remember the rule that after such numerals as два, три, чотири, usually we use nominative case plural, and this rule you can find in my textbook Master Ukrainian Cases when we learn the genitive case. But here we have exception that for all collective numerals, after all of them we use genitive case nouns. So please remember. Let me give you some examples, and also I will explain you therefore the usage, how we use it. For example, двоє друзів. Двоє друзів. Two friends. Okay, you can say, Ina, why can't I say just like два друга, like two friends? Why you say двоє друзів? When you say два друга, for example, I have two friends. They are Anna and Olena, and they live in different cities or in different countries, and there are no connection between them. I just have two friends. Actually, I had to say дві подруги because they are female, yes? So, but when I say двоє друзів, two friends, and this is a collective numeral, I want to say that they belong to one group, to one like community. We are like connected, and therefore I use this collective numeral, двоє друзів. So my two friends, they belong to one organization, or my двоє друзів, these two friends, they are from the same city, or this двоє друзів, they are my university friends. So there is some connection between them. Therefore, I have to use here the collective numeral двоє when I say two friends, двоє друзів. For example, I can say троє собак. Троє собак, three dogs. Again, here you can see the collective numeral. It means that this, like I have, я маю троє собак, and this троє собак, they belong to me. They are the same breed. So there is something then unite them, that like they belong to one breed, to one like, or something belong to one category. Therefore, we use this collective numeral. Pay attention. Or п'ятеро дівчат, five girls. П'ятеро дівчат. These five girls, they belong to one some sisterhood, for example, or these five girls are my cousins, so they belong to one family. Therefore, we use this collective numerals in Ukrainian language. Десятеро курчат, 10 chickens. 16 голубів, 16 doves. 13 будинків, 30 houses. So, guys, we practice with you the topic, the collective numerals, and you see that we use them when we want to denote this like sorting quantity of something as one whole, as one unit. Yes, and we use specific forms, and after all these forms we use the genitive case. Please write your examples with using the collective Ukrainian numerals in the comments below. I will check them out. If you have any other questions about this topic or Ukrainian language, also don't hesitate to write in the comments below. So guys, if you want to learn more about Ukrainian language, please check out my website speaky.com. There you can find my textbook, flashcards, courses, also you know that you can subscribe to my Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language. There you can watch more stories, more short video lessons, and please support me on Patreon, donate to Ukrainian Army. You can also check out my charity store, buy t-shirts, Save Ukrainian Life. So, все буде Україна, everything will be Ukraine, and Слава Україні!